Are you constantly busy, yet feel like you're never actually getting anywhere? You're not alone. Many people in business are busy, busy, busy. In fact, some people wear it as a badge of honour. But what if I told you it's actually hurting your business success? Today we're diving into why busy is the wrong strategy and how to replace busy with purposeful workflow that gets real results. Think about your day yesterday. How many hours did you spend on emails, calls, admin? And how many hours did you actually spend on things moving your business forward? The truth is, busy often means reactive. It's doing things for the sake of doing them. It's motion without progress, and that keeps you stuck. You don't need to do more. You need to do what matters. And that's where purposeful workflow comes in. Let's define what we mean by purposeful workflow. That's about clarity, knowing exactly what your priorities are, intentionality, choosing to work on what aligns with your goals. Here's what typically happens when you're stuck in busy. You react to everything. Your inbox dictates your agenda. You multitask constantly. Notwithstanding, science has shown us many, many times that multitasking simply does not work. You end the day drained, but with very little sense of accomplishment. Now contrast that with purposeful workflow. You start the day with a clear plan. You protect your time for deep work. You delegate or drop tasks that don't align with your big picture. It's not about doing everything. It's about doing the right things. Let me give you a real life example. One of my clients was clocking huge hours a week, every week. Always on, always overwhelmed. But the business wasn't growing. We implemented a purposeful workflow by identifying 3 priorities per week. Creating time blocks for focused work, automating or outsourcing low-value work. Within weeks, they were working less, producing more, and even enjoying the business. The result? Greater clarity, improved performance, increased revenue. All because we ditched busy in favour of purposeful workflow. So how do you build a purposeful workflow? Here's a simple 4-step process you can follow. 1. Audit your work. Track your time for a few days. What's consuming your time? What's yielding results? 2. Prioritise with purpose. Identify 3 objectives for the week. 3. Block time. Allocate focus time in your calendar. No distractions, no multitasking. 4. Review and refine. At the end of each week, ask what worked, what needs to change. It's not rocket science. It's about working smarter, not harder. Here's the truth. Being busy is easy. Being purposeful takes discipline. But it's the only way to sustainable success. So if you've been wearing busy as a badge of honour, I invite you to take it off. Start today. Choose one thing that aligns with your vision and do that on purpose. If you'd like help implementing a purposeful workflow in your business, let's have a conversation. Remember, progress isn't about doing more. It's about doing what matters most.